Hello everyone, I'm here tonight in New York on the red carpet of the show everybody's talking about, produced by the one and only 50 Cent, Power.
Rich town, yeah. I just come from the poet's pond. Bright light, city life, I gotta make it this.
Man, to go on a roller coaster, man. It's definitely going down. Amari, but when you see what he's done this season, we'll really be excited by it.
How was it working with 50 Cent?
It was so much fun working with him. He's so crazy, and he says like the craziest stuff. So it was fun. It was insane.
Who did you play in the show?
Raina, St. Patrick, the late great Raina. But yeah, it was a great ride, and people loved her. And just seeing the fans' reaction when Raina unfortunately departed from the show was crazy. But yeah, this season is going to be really interesting.
Rich town.
Working with 50 Cent is great.
It was really good. Actually, I had my first scene with him in this season that's coming up, season 5, and it was a fantastic experience. You know, he's a very generous producer and boss, and he's an intelligent man and an open book. So I had a great experience working with him.
My daughter's dead. Somebody's got to pay for it. Once I'm done with Dre, I'm out the game for good.
Never underestimate a good public image.
How we know we can trust you, Kemp?
I got you.
What can we expect in this season?
It's going to be electric. It's going to be a lot of oohs and ahs, a lot of surprises. I can't I can't say too much, but it's going to be fantastic.
Wow. Okay. Without getting into trouble, what can you expect? You can expect, edge of your seat, fantastic drama.
I think you can expect a lot more of the things that excite you about Power. There's going to be a lot of action. There's going to be drama.
You feel you need to kill somebody? You don't get to make that call.
I've been making that call since you know me.
Ain't no hide and seek. Find your seat. See, we came to take names. Y'all reminded me.
You can expect pretty much the same level of Power craziness, except I think on a whole new level going into season 5. All the stakes are elevated this year.
To tell you about Power, I mean, it's intense. It's shocking, it's powerful. I mean, I don't even know what to even say. It's like all the things.
Yeah, I was gonna say season 5 is gonna be the best show on TV this summer.
Rich town, yeah. I just come from.
How was it working with 50 Cent?
Oh, they're fantastic. The whole cast is fantastic.
What can we expect in this season?
I'm in the dark as much as anyone. It's all secrets.
This season there is a lot of drama. St. Patrick family is dealing with the Raina's death and all of its facets, and at the same time there's been a murder, and Tariq has committed it, and so it's going to be trying to keep that kid out of jail.
I used to think we could outrun anything.
Do you have any message to the fans that are watching the show in the Middle East?
Thank you so much for being Power fans. I can't believe Power is reaching all the way out to the Middle East, and much love.
When we got this show on the air, there were a lot of people who told me that people wouldn't watch it overseas, and it was wrong. So thank you.
Find your seat. See, we came to take names. Y'all reminded me.
I can't get sucked back in, Jamie.
And I'm with my colleague William on the red carpet. William, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
What you can tell us about the show?
I think in this 5 seasons the show has been on, it's just grown in popularity. It's become almost a cult following. It's a cultural phenomenon, and I feel it's made everyone pay attention in the critical world, across the world. It's become huge in Saudi Arabia and the Middle East, and it's really a show that I think is for the fans first and foremost, and people really enjoy this show. So I do think that all the fans in the Middle East are going to be eager to find out what happens next to Ghost.
Thank you very much, William. Simo Benbachir, Arabiya English, New York.